Hi. Hi, Kent. As you know, ITSIC is coming, and there's a buzz in the air now about Operation Blended Warrior. Could you tell us a little bit about OBW and why we should be interested?
Absolutely. Operation Blended Warrior is all about trying to develop a virtual environment for live virtual and constructive simulations for training, but taking a look at that environment from the standpoint of what it takes to put it together. So we have 30 plus different organizations that are all coming with their subject matter expertise and their simulations in order to build this environment with us and then help us understand what the problems are with trying to make that happen. What's important here is the fact that we have been doing these environments for many, many years, and we're not really getting any better at putting them together. So we are using their expertise and our own expertise in order to understand what it takes in effort and in time to make these things happen so that we can get better at that. Everybody is working on a live virtual constructive from the perspective of improving the actual event. We're trying to improve what it takes to get to that event, and that's the key special part of what's going on within Operation Blended Warrior.
Thanks. So now I have two follow-up questions. One is you said that there's 30 plus entities that are going to be participating in it. And then my other question is, we've done other LVC events on the showroom floor at ITSIC in the past. Could you tell us a little bit about how this one is different from those previous years?
The previous events that have taken place were basically looking at the integration of capability. We're trying to look at the next step of that. How do we improve those processes of how to integrate things? And then we have realized that there are about 9 different areas within which we would expect challenges for the integration, for the development of the Blended Warrior environment. And because there are so many of those and we have so many different simulations that we're trying to integrate together, we needed a space within ITSIC that spanned all 4 days. So we have 7.5 hours of event stretched over 5 different blocks of time to be able to tease out all of the different areas that we need and to showcase all the simulations that are coming to play in Blended Warrior. So this is different. It's a multi-year, multi-day type of event, and we're looking forward to next year when we start working with the Air Force, who is taking lead in this. This year, it's a Navy lead. Next year, it's Air Force lead. And then the year after that, we're expecting the Army to pick it up and lead the effort to finish out what we're looking for as this multi-year event.
So the 30 entities include all of the services and then industry? That's who's participating in this event?
That's correct. The services are playing and industry members are playing, and it's a combination of simulations themselves, the tools, and then a lot of expertise that are all coming together in order to, one, make a fantastic special event that will excite all of the attendees that are coming to watch the different capabilities that are being brought to bear, but two, also bring in their expertise to help us understand what those challenges were that we were facing and how to fix those challenges so that we can provide this information back to the community at large and allow them to figure out what the next step is and how do we fix that? How do we improve on that so that we can do better? And in the future, we don't have to be satisfied with a single event that we repeat those processes every year. You know, we try to improve on it.
Nice. Thank you, Kent. Thank you for your time and talking to us about Operation Blended Warrior. I look forward to seeing you on the showroom floor, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the showroom floor.